We're at gotomath.com working some calculus, and down here at Rules of Differentiation we want to do 1-2. That's it right there. 1-2. It says find the derivative of y. So let's all write that down. Y is equal to 15x plus 17. So in this particular section here, call this section 1 or whatever you want to call it, we talk about the constant rule and also the power rule. And that's what we're going to be talking about here. We have y is equal to 15x plus 17. I guess I could write a whole lot bigger. 15x plus 17. This is going to be the power rule. Now we know what the derivative of a constant is. It's 0 if you looked at 1-1. The derivative of a constant is 0, but this is going to be the power rule. And the way this works is, if you've never seen it, this has a power of 1 even though we don't write it as a power of 1. And we'll just rewrite it like this here. Rewrite this again. And what you do is you take the power and bring it out front. So we're going to take this power and bring it out front. I'll put parentheses around it. And then of course we have 15x, and you subtract 1 from the exponents. Just subtract 1 from the exponent, okay? I shouldn't have put a parentheses around that. And the derivative of a constant is 0. The derivative of a constant is 0. So now let's simplify this. 1 times 15 is just 15. And of course this is x to the 0, but we wouldn't write this with x to the 0 because x to the 0 is always 1, and 1 times 15 is 15. So y prime is, and that's what we were wanting to find. I should have wrote that right there. Y prime is equal to 15. So anytime you see something like this, for example, y is equal to ax plus b, you know that y prime is going to be equal to a every time, right? Where a and b are real numbers. Okay, so this is the power rule, and we'll be seeing lots of this here coming up. Let's move over. Let's take a look, make sure the script is correct, and it is. And I'm not sure what's going on down here in the help section. We'll take a look at it. Okay, so it's pretty much how I showed. This is known as the power rule. Of course, this is the power rule written out generally here. Alright, where you take the exponent, you bring it out front, and then subtract 1 from the exponent. Simplify everything down. Pretty simple stuff. Okay. Alright, I shall see you there.